rapping, making niggas die, witnessing breathless imperfections. Can you picture my specific plan? To be the man in this wicked land, underhanded hits a plan. Scams are plotted over grams of rocks. Undercover agents die by the random shots. We all die in the end, so revenge we swole. I was all about my ends, fuck friends and foes. Me, a born leader, never lead a block without my heater. Got me a dog and named him my bitch nigga eater. What could they do to me and let a brag? Shit, them niggas that shot me is still terrified I'll get they ass. How can I show you how I feel inside? We outlaws, motherfuckers can't kill my pride. Niggas talk a lot of shit, but that's after I'm gone, cause they fear me in the physical form. Let them be known, I'm troublesome.
Flundi, heni, orbidi, galaan, wirjasin. Rai oblain ranun, miunagri, godail bigodui.
Legendary live eternally. Fuck you niggas in that bullshit you going through, we outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bitch made niggas in that bullshit you going through, outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bury me in peace cause they fit. Reincarnation niggas screaming peace cause they fit. When my squad face them, take them to places, face to face, then embrace them and break them. Murder motherfuckers, legendary live eternally. Gutter ways, my mentality is ghetto. A gorilla in this criminal war. We all rebels. Death before dishonor. Bet I bomb on them first. Niggas knew we came from murder. Pulling up in a hearse. West side was the war cry. Busting off freely, screaming fuck all y'all niggas in Swahili. Pistol packing fresh out of jail. I ain't going back. Release me to the care of my heartless strap. Say my name 3 times like Candyman. Bet I roll on your ass like an avalanche. So survivor, learn to get high and pull drive-bys. Murder my foes, can't control my nine.